Hi there. In this video, we will be covering two of the problems that we face in supervised machine learning. These are the two types of problem. All models are based on one of these. The first one is classification. As the name says, in this type of machine supervised machine learning problems, we are classifying something. Like, let's say that the example that we discussed previously in the previous video about spam email detection. In that model, we were having only two outputs, only two predictions, whether this is a spam or whether it is not a spam, or any other model like this in which we know how many labels do we have. It can be two, it can be three, even 40. So if we know that these are the total number of classes that we can have, then this is classification. This is not continuous data. Other type is regression. The regression is a continuous data. Like, let's say you have created a model that will be predicting the prices of house. So it is possible that one house will have price of 10 lakhs, other house will have 50 lakhs, and another will have 150 lakh, and so on. So we don't have only one class. In this 50, 10, 150, and 5, and so on, we don't know how many labels do we have. So that's the regression. It's continuous data. It's changing continuously. And in the classification, we have just a number of classes. It can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 10, but there are a specific number.